lot of you guys have been asking me, where are your BoxyCharm subscription service videos? And here it is. I didn't show it in the last 2 months because, once again, the same thing with my Ipsy bag is that I was away for the month and I wasn't able to do a review on them, and I like to do them early, like this day that I get it. I like to try everything out and then I wait for like the next 2 or 3 days and then I go ahead and try out the products. So I've tried the products, so I want to share them with you guys and I want to tell you if it's worth it, and I want to tell you a little bit more information about the products that come inside. Let's talk about one of the things that I am so excited to see, which is nail polish. I feel like a lot of subscription box services don't have nail polishes, and they have nail polishes that you're not well familiar with. Well, BoxyCharm has included an Essie nail polish in almost all of their boxes. They've just had a couple of them come out recently. They're a new company, but they've had Essie, and I love Essie nail polishes. You guys know that. You guys saw it in my video, my collection video for nail polishes. I love Essie nail polishes, and I can't believe that I don't have this one added to my collection yet. And this one is a good to go rapid dry top coat. I love how it's packaged in its original thing. Like, it's not like, you know, like just kind of thrown in there. Everything in here is like really well taken care of and wrapped really securely, and I love that. And I am not going to be disappointed with Essie because, like I said, it's my favorite brand. So this is a clear top coat that you put over your nails to make sure that they don't chip or anything like that. And this actually retails for around $8. So the fact that it's in your BoxyCharm is really good. Another thing that I love is that they also carry nail polishes that I've been wanting to try out, but I just don't get them for some reason. So this one is from L'Oreal, and it's a beautiful blue color. It's called Club Pride, and like the minty aqua teal blues are some of my absolute favorite to wear on my nails. So I love this color so much, and I'm excited that they added this nail polish as well, because they gave me two and I'm so excited. And then another nail product. I am just obsessed with nail products. I wish there was a subscription box service where it was nothing but nail products, and I saw something like that on my Facebook and I was like, oh my god, is that like a new company? I haven't seen one yet, so if it does come out I will subscribe because I'm addicted to like nail art and all that fun stuff. So they have this one from Maybelline, and it is like the Color Show kind of line that they have, and they're just stickers. You put them on your nails. If you guys are familiar with the Sally Hansen strips, they're just like it. And then another product that was in here was this Revlon cream shadows, and here they are. They're gorgeous color. My mom actually fell in love with them, so I'm gonna give it to her because she really loved it. But I noticed that these are extremely hard to blend in, and they don't look very cute by themselves on your eye. And I was disappointed with that because I was like, okay, well, let's see these cream eyeshadows. I put them on, I couldn't blend them in, but it depends how you apply them. So I want to show you guys how I would apply these eyeshadows and how they don't look so great just by themselves. So I'm going to go ahead and just add a little bit here on the side. As you can tell, it's not very pigmented. The color doesn't really show up that much. It's just kind of shimmery. And then I'm going to show you in the middle. I'm going to swatch it again so you guys could see what it looks like with eyeshadow on top of it. And it's a really great primer. It makes the eyeshadow stand out a lot more. And the eyeshadow that I'm going to use is the one from my e.l.f. palette. I love this palette. It has like every single color. And by itself, the color does stand out a lot. It's very pigmented on like the eyeshadow. But when I apply it on top of the Revlon cream shadows, it really stands out a lot. You don't need another primer. It reminds me of the Color Tattoos by Maybelline. Put this one on. It's like almost like a yellow tone, and I put that on underneath first, and then I added the eyeshadows that I have right now on, and they have never looked more glamorous. I was so excited to find out that it works just as good as the Maybelline Tattoos, and I believe those are kind of expensive too for just one. So this palette itself, I believe, is almost $7. It's $6.50 online, and you get 4 eyeshadows instead of like just one from like the Maybelline Color Tattoos, and you get more for your money. So I highly recommend these. If you guys see these, pick them up, put them underneath your eyeshadow to prime before you put on the other eyeshadow, and it's just gonna look so good. You guys know I'm a lip product junkie. I love lipstick and all of that good stuff. But I am not a big fan of lip glosses for some reason. I used to when I was younger, and then I just don't like them. I don't like how they look on me. I don't like how they feel. I'm not a big fan. And they included the Revlon lip gloss, and these are amazing lip glosses. Even though I do not like them, I do have one that I got as a gift, and I love that lip gloss, but I don't really wear it, and I feel bad. Like, I feel like it's unfair that I keep something that I'm not really going to wear. And this Revlon lipstick, I'm also going to give it away, or lip gloss, I'm also going to give it away because I don't just want to hoard it. But it's amazing. These are some of the best lip glosses. Revlon should be high-end. I am telling you, Revlon is by far my absolute most favorite makeup brand. They should be high-end. If they raise their prices, I would still buy from them because they're that amazing. So yeah, I highly recommend, if you guys are into lip gloss, pick this brand up and this line. And then they added, I think they just kind of added something quickly. They always add something that's like on the cheaper side to give you like more for your money. And this one is a vitamin stick. I like the name. And I'm always gonna need lip balm, and I like this lip balm. It's like in a jelly form. It smells really, really delicious. I wasn't excited that it was in there, but I'm still going to use it. So I'm going to get a good use out of it compared to other things that I usually get in subscription boxes that I don't really use. They also added these Almay Moisturizing Eye Makeup Remover Pads, and they are amazing. I've already tried them, and they're so soft. They leave your eye feeling really nice and hydrated because it has, like, I don't know, it almost feels like a lotion on your face, and it's amazing. So I am so glad that they had these in there because I didn't even know that these existed for Almay brand, because Almay is a really good skincare brand. The total of my box was over $42, and you pay $21 a month, which is great because it's a bundle of things that you're gonna get and you get to try out. So I think it's worth it. I love everything that I've gotten except for the lip gloss and the lip balm, but everything else, I am just so excited. Like, you know what I'm gonna do right now? I am probably gonna paint my nails this color and then use this as like an accent nail, and then top it off with my top coat from Essie. Love Essie, best brand, nail polishes, well, one of them. And yeah, so that is all. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these BoxyCharm videos, subscription box service videos, because they're fun to film, and I think we all learn a little something when we try something new that's kind of out of our comfort zone, and I think that's the fun part. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!